Morning. Good morning, guys. How are you? How's everything going? All good? All good? So, looks like we have a red day today. Well, red pre-market so far. Key level to watch right now on SPY is 456, 455.50, and on QQQ is yesterday's low. So under yesterday's low, I yeah, if QQ can hold yesterday's low, I think we could go down to 380, 381. That's the level of support there. The stocks that I like for today are Disney, CAD, and on um on the swing that I'm holding, I'm gonna be down. Obviously, I was down yesterday, and right now on looks like it wants to fill the gap till 105.40, which was the previous all-time high. I think the best entry to swing trade on it's after the gap fill. That's the best level to enter on. CAD, because CAD had earnings pre-market and looks like they did pretty good. So let's see if CAD can like give us either a little pullback to 270, or it's just gonna consolidate the entire day. I want to see it more like a consolidation day for a call swing trade. But I honestly don't love anything right now. Um, I like more just I think today I'm mainly gonna just be watching Spy and QQQ because Spy is at a key level. If loses 456, 455, 50, I can see Spy going down to 454 and then 452. So let's see if Spy is gonna hold here. Where else? Uh, Disney right now it looks like it's losing it. RTX it's holding 87. So 87 is the level that I'll be watching on RTX. Like I said yesterday on the stream, if RTX doesn't hold 87, I think it's gonna go back down to 85, and I'm gonna get rid of the weeklies that I'm holding, but I'm still gonna hold the ones that I have for next week and for the 25th. So I think today I'm just gonna manage the calls that I have open and just watch Spy QQQ and Cat, because I did like Disney, but right now Disney is kind of losing it. Like Disney needs to hold 88. Like 88 is a key level. Yeah, 88, 88.20. But if Disney is weak today, I'm not gonna do anything with Disney. I will prefer to see what Spy or QQQ is gonna do and trade that instead of Disney. So pretty much my watch list today is Cat, Spy, QQQ. Um, I'm kind of watching, like, I had an alert right now pre-market because Meta is right at the 316 support. So Meta needs to hold 316, 317. If I see Spy bouncing here, I might take Meta calls. Right now it's like bouncing hard. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on here. What's gonna happen here today? Okay, so cut so far is very strong, but I'm not gonna make the same mistake that I did yesterday with on that I got calls right away. I'm gonna wait. Okay, Disney is bouncing hard. So Disney is looking pretty bullish right now. Okay, and on it's looking bullish too. I like what on is doing. We want to see on holding 107, like pretty much yesterday's low. It's around 107, 107, like 107.07. Let's see. Like QQ, it's at a key level. Right now, it's under yesterday's low, which is bearish. And it's rejecting, a pre-market high. But SPY is holding here. Okay, so on is definitely looks like it wants to fill the gap down. QQQ, that's an ugly rejection there. I think the play here was to trade QQQ out of this pre-market high rejection. Okay. I like this reaction on RTX. That's good for our swing trade. Let's see. CAD is very strong. Very. I kind of like, I don't know what to do because I like SPY calls here, but I don't like too much because QQQ is under yesterday's low, which is pretty bearish. UPST, okay. Okay, so Meta, it's very strong so far. It's holding 316. Um, I have weeklies on. So the Dow is very strong. SPY 2. Okay, that QQQ play, like that QQQ move, I kind of like that QQQ. It's holding VWAP and 90MA. SPY is looking pretty bullish. I'm gonna add to my own play a little bit more because I like how it's holding there. So QQQ is rejecting there. But SPY is very strong. So I like QQQ puts here because it's under yesterday's low and it's rejecting pre-market high, but SPY is strong and it's at a very strong support. And CAD is just going. It's kind of weird trading like this when SPY is looking very strong and QQQ is looking very weak. Okay, I like Disney also. I'm getting Disney 90 for next week. I like Disney. Okay, so yeah, I like On is looking great. QQQ is fighting yesterday's low. SPY is looking pretty bullish. Disney is looking pretty good also. We want to see Disney breaking pre-market high and I think it's yesterday high also. Let's see. Yeah. I also think getting a hedge here of QQQ puts is kind of feel like getting there. Like getting a hedge here of QQQ puts. Like the risk to reward here is too good. And it's under yesterday high. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get QQQ puts for tomorrow as a hedge. The 382. My stop loss is gonna be if breaks this morning high with a strong bullish candle. Ooh, Meta is losing it. Yeah, I'm still holding Kava, but I took a lot of profits also. You guys need to Kava 55 calls were up 70%. If you don't take profits there, that is not a way to trade. Okay, so On, I like what On is doing. Definitely held that. Didn't want to fill the gap. So On, Disney, RTX are looking pretty good. If you're in Kava, you want to see Kava holding previous all-time high, which is near 55. I have weekly on Kava, but if you want to take next week, it's even better because We have AMD. Ooh, Pawn is breaking 250. Watch that. Pawn is breaking 250. Pawn. Palo Alto breaking 250. That extremely bullish there. I think Palo Alto can break and hold 250. This thing can run. First of all, to 253 and then 258. It will be my PT on Palo Alto. I'm taking Palo Alto. Let's see. Um, Next week 255. I kind of want to leave it running. Yeah. Okay, so I want QQQ to stop me out from my puts. I want QQQ to break yesterday high and hold it as support. That weight on Palo Alto, I'm gonna fly. Yeah, I wanna see that on QQQ. Okay, so Kava, it's at 55. You wanna see Kava holding there. 54.50. Ooh, Palo Alto is flying. Okay. You wanna see Kava holding 55. Okay, so I wanna see that on QQQ. Okay, RTX, it's looking amazing. Palo Alto is looking great. We want to see on kind of holding here. Also, we want to see Kava holding 55. And also we want to see Disney holding 89.16 around there. Oh, so a SPY filled the gap and it's rejecting there. And I think probably it's happening the same with QQQ. Yeah. It can still go to 383. But we'll see. data in 10 seconds. 10. Isn't that 10 data? Okay, so we don't want to see that on Disney. Okay, QQQ is definitely looking weak. And same with SPY. SPY is rejecting the gap fill. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, so Disney is rejecting the yesterday high. Uh, and it's under VWAP. So under VWAP and INEMA, Disney could go back down to 88. I kind of feel like adding more QQQ puts, but I want to wait until 10, which is when when we have data. But yeah, QQQ is looking very weak. Keeps rejecting, like these wicks at the top um are bearish. But it has also a lot of wicks at the bottom, so that's a lot of indecision. But this 5-minute candle so far is looking very bearish. So if QQ goes down, on it's gonna go down in RTX too, and probably Palo Alto too. Let's see. I honestly don't expect much from the market. Like I said yesterday, I don't expect much from the market until Apple earnings. I don't think we're gonna get much. CAD is very strong. It's still holding very good. It's the only thing that I see that it's holding CAD. Hmm. So how are you guys doing so far? What are you guys trading or just waiting until we have data? I missed my entry on CAD and I think now it's like I feel like I will be chasing. Yeah, I think it's better just to wait and see. I think the entry for on it's either it's not right now. It's to wait until either fills the gap or you wanna see if the market is gonna hold here. I don't think the entry for on is right now. In fact, I think I had a very bad entry. Looks like Kava is doing a break and retest out of 55. If can hold 55. Okay, so mm, mm, mm. So both Spy and QQQ right now are on a like very bearish position because like right now, okay, Spy is looking bullish, but it's under like the gap. It's kind of rejecting the gap fill. So if Spy can't like break this flag and hold it as support, it's just bearish. But 456 is a very strong support. So it's between like two levels here. And QQQ, it's on their yesterday high and it's clearly rejecting there. Kava it's holding 55, so that's a very good break and retest. But we gotta see how data is coming up, so and what's the direction that we're gonna have today on the market. 'Em kind of sad that I missed my entry here. Like this thing just move up too fast for me. But I'm waiting. I'm kind of watching cat there. I want to see if it's gonna give me a pullback or maybe some consolidation so I can enter there. At 9:45, so it's already. It doesn't. It looks weird if data already came up. I think it was at 10. It is at 10. Where can I see that? Yeah, I think it is at 10. Otherwise, we would have like SPY and QQ like moving to a clear direction. The bounce on Kava. Kava is looking beautiful. That's a break and retest, guy. If you sold Kava yesterday, I think um here is a very good entry with a stop loss on their this week here. Very easy trade here. Very good risk to reward. I'm not gonna enter because I'm already holding the 55 and some of the 55 and 60 contracts that I had from last week. But yeah. Okay, so all tech is looking bearish. Okay, now we have the data here. That's what happened when we have data. The market move like this. And then it picks direction. Okay, so QQQ is still fighting the same level, and SPY is looking a little bit more, it looks stronger here. I like a SPY here. SPY, this 30-minute candle is above the one before, so that's bullish, but we'll see. But everything's like under VWAP, under 9 EMA. I honestly don't care what data says. I just wait for the market to tell me what's the direction for the day. Because sometimes the data is bad and market like it. Sometimes the data is good and market likes it. So I'm just wait and see. So far, Disney is holding. Palo Alto is losing it. It's again rejecting the 253 level, 252 level. On is looking weak also. QQQ doesn't know where to go. SPY is looking a little bit more bullish. Kava is rejecting VWAP. RTX is holding pretty good. Okay, so Palo Alto is losing it there. I'm gonna hold unless it breaks today's low. Because QQQ is holding. The Dow is very strong. Abibai, let's see. I think I talk about Abibai. The best entry is around 148, 149. But it doesn't look bad. Yeah, but I have these here. So the best entry, I will say it's a breaker retest of this level here. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna get out all my QQQ boots. Mm. Don't tell me that QQQ just stopped me out only to reject like the same level. Yep, it looks like. What is Rocco doing? Ooh, meta is strong. I think if QQQ it's gonna go meta, it's one. What? Okay, so definitely today is a day. It's gonna be like yesterday. Looks like it's gonna be like yesterday. Very choppy, no direction. Yeah, I think it's better to just walk away from your computer and not trade today. Okay, so Disney definitely weak here. Um, mm, 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 mm. Guys, Kava is the one. Kava is looking so good here. Anybody re-enter Kava today with that 55 hold? Mm. Okay, so I want to see Palo Alto using VWAP as a night as a support. It needs to go a little bit higher. Everything is looking ugly, honestly. I don't like anything. I feel like walking away. Like honestly, if I didn't had the stream, I wouldn't be trading right now. I think it's very important to know when not to trade. Yeah, exactly. Kawhi has so much time that I I don't see why not holding at least some contracts. Okay. So for me, everything kind of looks like it's doing a bear flag, but it's so close to the VWAP. So if it breaks the VWAP and hold it as support, it's bullish. If keeps rejecting the VWAP, it's just bearish. And QQQ just rejecting very hard again, the same level, and the SPY is looking like it's gonna die. So like QQQ just topped me out here only to go down. Shares. Well, Kava is only 55. Yeah. Mm. Everything looks weak. Everything right now. Everything is doing a bear flag. It's looking weak. Just look SPY and QQQ. QQQ, it looks very weak. I'm so mad that QQQ just topped me out to go lower. Like, I told you, do not enter on unless you want to lose money. I told you guys the best entry for on is to wait for the gap fill. Like if you enter it, it's you knew the possibility to losing money on that one was very high. Like I told you. Anybody is still holding those QQQ puts? Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. That's an ugly, ugly 30-minute candle on SPY. And same with QQQ. That's my stop loss. No, no, I don't have 87. It's my stop loss for the weeklies. For the ones that I'm holding for next week and for the end of the month, my stop loss is gonna be under 85. Yeah, under 85. Maynard holding the 316 level very good. Holding very, very good so far. So Meta should, if QQQ change direction and goes bullish, Meta is the one to trade for calls. Mm, Then SPY is looking very, very ugly. Now we gotta watch 380 on QQQ. 380. Only 40 likes and 100 people here. You guys are the worst. So the play today was to play puts here and not get stop out with this stupid candle. Oh, thank you, thank you. So we got 50. We need more 50 more likes. We have 50 people here that doesn't like to give likes. So I just got This is a risky one. I got Meta Call Weekly, the 320. Um, if doesn't hold today's low, I'm getting out. But I like how Meta is holding here. And it's a risky one because it's going against the trend. Thank you, Eddie. Disney contracts are holding very good. Very, very good. I'm only 7% down. I know, right? Trading alone, it can be very lonely. So Kava, Meta are holding very, very, very good. I kind of feel like adding to Kava. Coin under 90. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, both coin and Kava are looking very good. Look how Kava is holding that 55. Like this is the previous all-time high, and look how it's holding here. That's as long as it's holding that level, that's telling me that it's very bullish still. That it has more move up. That it's gonna keep going higher. So because I got Disney for next week, I'm gonna hold unless it loses 88. Because I think looking at the daily, Disney maybe have like a red day here or just a flat day and then keep going the next few days. Oh, let's see how is the small account. It's probably down today because RTX is down and Kava also. I kind of feel like getting more Kava. Yeah. Mm. So how much? This Kava is 270 and I have 500 here. Um, I'm getting another Kava 60 call on the small account. Let's see if it is gonna fill me. Yeah, just got fill here. Okay, so I got another cava. Now we have three. Um, if loses today's low, I'm gonna get out. But so far, not looking bad. And I also kind of feel like getting on this account. Hmm. Decisions. I don't know. I don't know if I want to get on right now here. No, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I do like how on it's holding 107. The thing is like we have AMD earnings today after the market close, and that could move on. But I like how it's holding. Yeah, it's bouncing from yesterday's low. It's as long as it's holding 107, I think it's looking very, very bullish. If not, I think it's gonna go and fill down and fill the gap. Meta is looking great also. Okay, so I like that bounce on Palo Alto. We want to see Palo Alto like using VWAP as support because under VWAP it could be just a bear flag. But look, the market is bouncing like QQQ, it's now above VWAP. Definitely a very choppy day. I don't really trade gold. I don't like trading any of those things like gold, silver, they move too slow for me. And I don't see them like moving much. Like I know people like it for like I don't know, instead of having cash, they like to have gold, but I think that was like years ago that it worked. I don't think it works right now. Meta is looking amazing. Hey, Mr. TNT. We're doing great. We're doing great. Let's see if QQQ now it's gonna break, finally break this resistance, or it's gonna reject it again. Okay, I love this move on Palo Alto. As long as it's holding VWAP as support, as I said before, it's very bullish. And RTX move so weird. Like the market is going down, RTX is move up, the market is going up, the RTX move down. So weird. Palo Alto is coming back to life. Mm. On it's holding very good. Like it's holding very, very good. I honestly was expecting today for on to fill the gap. Okay, so I love that on is doing. Palo Alto is doing great. Kava is holding very, very good. QQQ it's trying to break morning high again. I hate trading days like today. Okay, QQQ, okay. I see you. Are you got like finally gonna break this resistance or what? Sometimes trading is so boring. Like I used to like trade and then just watch some TV show or YouTube videos or Netflix and then just wait. Just or I will put my alert and just go to a gym. So the best chart right now are Meta on, mostly on, and Kava. Kava is looking so good. Like look at this. Beautiful, beautiful break, retest, and it looks like it wants to go even higher. I can see it going to 58. Yeah, Kava is gonna go to 58 and then 60. So look how strong it is. Anyone got this re-entry on Kava? Because I'm pretty sure a lot of you sold Kava yesterday. Pretty sure. Yeah, the 55 hold it was like very good. Very bullish. And QQ is rejecting again this resistance here. Definitely not a day to trade. One is Apple. 27, 26. Is Apple tomorrow? Apple earnings? No, it's on Thursday. On the third. This is all. Nice. Yeah, Visa, that chart, that Visa chart was so beautiful. I just um I couldn't enter yesterday. It moved too fast, and I think today, where is it here? Yeah, here. And I think today it went down there, right? Let's see. Ooh, okay. So Visa holding this previous resistance and support, I think Visa have way more to go. I think can go back to 244. So Visa holding this previous resistance now should act as support. The 238.50. That's definitely a good like break, retest, and then I can see Visa going higher, way higher. Yeah, a swing for at least 243, 244, but you need time. And also the Dow is very strong. Visa already had earnings, and because we have tech earnings this week, I don't think Visa is gonna move with the market. Mm, and we keep rejecting the same levels and bouncing from the same support. Meta is very strong. RTX is very weak. Damn, cut at 285. So I'm up on Meta, down on the weekly's RTX. I'm up on the 11th and 25th RTX. Um, down 1% on Disney. It looks like I'm gonna be flat or up in a bit. And what's the other one? Pawn. I'm down 7%. So not too bad. Mm-hmm. This is so boring. So boring. Nike on a channel. So if I wouldn't trade anything that is on a channel, like we already have the entire market in a channel, and that's very boring. You want to trade with a clear direction. Unless you want to swing trade and you're trading at consolidation mode, like for me on is just in consolidation because it's holding 107. After when you have like a gap and then you have consolidation, that's it's telling you that it's gonna keep going. But obviously needs the market to help it. Minutes killing it. Minutes by is moving so good. Ooh. No, you wanna add something that is like RTS. RTX right now is looking very bearish. You wanna add when something is looking bullish. So a good example, like look the difference. So RTX is all down. Just because it's gonna go to a support doesn't mean that you wanna add or buy. Look the difference. Like this thing's going down. This thing went down, went to a very strong support, and then bounced it there. And it was telling you that it was holding that as a base. So you wanna add at a strong support when it's telling you that that support is acting as support. Like RTX right now, nothing is telling you that it's bullish. So if you wanna enter here, it's a risky one because so far it keeps going down and it's not making any type of support. It's just going down. You wanna wait until you see like some type of signal that it's gonna change to bullish. Okay, okay. I'm almost 40% up on Meta. Disney 2% up. Pawn 2% down. RTX weeklies are 49% down. On the 11th, I am 10% up. And on the 25th, 9% up. So the only one that is still red, it's on. Because I have weekly. But I think it can turn into green. Yeah, Meta is looking beautiful. That Meta is exactly like Kava. Look, Meta like broke this resistance here, retested, and now it's bouncing from it. So that's why I took the meta here at 316. The risk to reward was just too good. Like 316 is your level, and then my stop loss was morning low. That's what you want to see. You want to see like the stock making a support, like a clear support at a strong support. So I think like for me, like trading is very easy. Like Meta was screaming like, "Hey, this is my support. Like it's my real support." RTX is like, "Right now I have no support. Bye. I'm dying." So you want to see it like telling you, "Hey, this is my support. You can enter here with a clear small stop loss." Not like, "Hey, I'm dying. Bye." I'm like, "Hey, I'm holding here. Buy me." Same here. "Hey, I'm dying. I'm holding here. I'm going. Buy." Buy me here. Buy me. Hey, welcome. This is Trading View. This is Trading View. I use Trading View for my charts, and I use E-Trade, Interactive, what else? Robinhood to trade. I don't have a snack today. I finished the last one that I had yesterday. I don't have a snack today. And I'm hungry, Kenny. I'm hungry. Yeah, Meta was a perfect example for break and retest, also Kava. Also a spy is like, hey, this is my support. Buy me here. Like look how not only is like making a base at this support here. Also look how the candles are here. Like it has wicks at the bottom. When you have candles with wicks at the bottom, that means that you have more buyers than sellers. And when you have wicks at the top, that means you have more sellers than buyers. Nope. Why you want to chase? You don't chase. Like you want to get into CAD when it's no. I will not get into CAD here. It's like it's too high for me. It's too high and it's too far from the VWAP. Don't chase. Look for something that it's at a very strong support and it's making a base there so you can buy before the move happen, not after. You don't want to buy calls after it already went up so much. Like, of course, CAD can keep going higher, but for me, the risk to reward there is not good at all. I like to buy stuff before the move happens, just like what I did with Meta and Kava also. Like I bought on after the move happened, or when the move was happening, and what I got a strong pullback and my contracts are down. And same with Palo Alto. I got Palo Alto when it was moving higher instead of waiting for a pullback or getting in before. So I'm taking a little profits here on Meta. Uh, mm, 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 mm. I still feel Meta can keep going higher at least to almost 324, but it needs the market to go higher also. Nice, 40% on Meta. That was beautiful. Meta trade was beautiful. Kava is looking like he wants to boom boom. Look this. He wants to boom boom. If can break this resistance here, this little resistance here, it's gonna go back to yesterday high and then probably 58. So from 55 to 58, that's a $3 move. Sadly, Kava doesn't have weeklies, but on weekly that would be like a fifth, more than like 100%. Look how beautiful this is. That was like perfect. Break, retest, you get in, boom. Hmm. Let's see how we doing now here. Even though RTX is dead today. We're getting better. Okay. Yeah, definitely that was a good entry to add another Kava here. RTX is dead, but we have a lot of time also. That's why on the small account I like to buy time, because also when you have a lot of time, even if it goes against you, the premiums doesn't go down too fast. But yeah, this let's see this here. So on the one that I added today, it's already up 12%, more than 12% on Kava. I want to get to this account to 5K, and I think I can do it this week. If I'm sorry, this month. If RTX don't die, I think we can get like to 5K very easy. But we need RTX to not die here. I was thinking on getting meta on the small account, but then I was like, ooh, I don't know. I don't know. Disney is up 40? Let me check. Oh, because you got weekly, right? You got weekly Disney. I'm 50% up on Meta now. Let's see, Disney. You got weekly, right? I got for next week. So I'm only up 6% because I want to see Disney get into, um, where is it? Almost 91. Like 250.50 looks like a strong resistance on Palo Alto. I want to see Palo Alto closing today above 250.50. That would be extremely bullish. So for the person that asked me about if it was good to add RTX, okay, just watch it here. Watch it if keeps like holding around here. Like we want to see either consolidation here or breaking this resistance because it's holding previous resistance here. It's holding it as support, but also it's rejecting this resistance here. So we want to see resistance act as support today. Today. And I know like entering here, it would be like a little more expensive or waiting to enter, but I like trading, you need confirmation, not just buying because it's going lower and you can get cheaper because this thing could get like keep going lower and lower and lower. So you wanna enter after seeing confirmation, not just enter just because or because I'm in this trade. It's better to pay a little bit more, but with less risk. This is gonna be so annoying if the market is just gonna be like this until Apple, which I think that's what's gonna happen. I think the market is gonna be like that until Apple. So we have like 2 more days of choppiness. chop, 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 chop. I'm hungry and I don't have any snacks for today. RTX is bouncing hard there. Meta is doing a flag. Disney, we want to see Disney breaking morning high and use it as support. What else? On is doing nothing, but I like that it's consolidating there. It's just holding. That's fine for me. And Kava is looking great. It's kind of fighting with this 57 level. And Palo Alto is just holding there. Who's watching The Witcher on Netflix here? I'm kind of like I love the first season, but now I don't really like it that much. I'm kind of watching it because I know it's the last season with the Superman guy, but I don't know. I don't really like it how it is right now. It's kind of weird. I don't like the Jennifer hair. It's kind of like too much hair for her. She had like this huge wig that is she's super skinny and it has more hair than anything else. It's weird. Everything's like too fake. Oh, I thought I was the only one that I didn't like the new season. I'm like forcing myself to watch it. I want to see what's gonna happen with him. Because are they gonna kill him or is it just gonna change with some kind of like Witcher thing? Because I don't know how they're gonna do that. Okay, so Kava just filled the gap till 57. Um, so let's see. We want to see it holding here as support so it can keep going. So far, this uh wait, this 30-minute candle is looking very bullish, but still have like 15 minutes, no, 17 more minutes to close. But let's see if it can close like this. I think today is gonna keep going higher. If not, we see a little bit consolidation here and then maybe go higher. But Meta is the winner today. It's looking so good. Meta is like killing it. Yeah, I think they're gonna change change him with some spell or something like that. I think meta wants 324. Everything's moving so slow. I'm kind of falling asleep here. Meta can go to 325. But the big resistance is 328. 328 is a strong resistance on meta. Yep, here. You have double top here. Mhm. Yeah, that's from 327.80 till 328. I need to. Okay, I'm gonna do my little resistance here. Mm. Hmm, where is 328? 327.18 it was that I said. 80, 327.80. Yeah. Also, this looks like a flag. We can have a few more days of consolidation here. Maybe one or two more. But Apple is gonna probably change this. In Mara? No. I was in Mara like last week and I sold the same day. No, I'm not in Mara. I haven't played Mara this week at all. I played Mara just once and I got stopped out the same day. And I said yesterday that I like the Mara trade chart, but I'm not gonna trade it because I don't like how Bitcoin's looking. Bitcoin's looking bearish. Let's see what Mara is doing. I'm not gonna try Mara because I don't like how Bitcoin is looking. So yeah, see, yeah. 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 If I want to enter a swing trade, I want to enter something that it's like it has it doesn't like to play Mara, you need to play Mara and Riot with Bitcoin. You need to check Bitcoin how it's moving. So no, I'm not gonna play Mara. Okay, so SPY again, rejecting here. Same with QQQ. The only thing that I'm looking like very, very good are Meta, but I will definitely not enter here. That's too high. The entry was here. And Kava. Also, the entry was here at support. Everything else, very choppy. On is looking great also, but it's also moving with QQQ, and QQQ is very choppy, even though I can see here a flag. But again, it's rejecting the exactly same level that's been rejecting the entire day. Like here. This day is looking good, but it needs to break this morning high. So now RTX is looking bullish. Like, see, use support as support, like here. And resistance as support also. It's using the VWAP as support with a very bullish, like, wiki hammer candle here. As long as keep holding this VWAP, it's very bullish on the day. Yeah, RTX is not doing anything. But I think it's because 88 is it kinda I said it on the end of the day recap video. 88 is resistance. So right now it's fighting with this 88 resistance. After breaks this resistance, it has oh, it can move like freely till 90, almost 93. But first it's fighting with 88. But it's looking great. Ooh, Mara just made a new all-time high, guys. New all-time high for Mara. I'm sorry, not Mara, Kava. Oh, this is Kava, no, not Mara. It's Kava. No, it's a new all-time high. Your previous all-time high was yesterday high, and today you made a new all-time high. Oh, and the other thing, like, see, Bitcoin went down. That's why Mara is going lower. Look, I told you guys, Bitcoin's looking bearish. Look, it's looking very bearish. That's why I didn't like Mara. I think Bitcoin can go here to 28. This is the support on Bitcoin. So yeah. Coin it has that 90 support. Ooh, Coin has earnings also on Thursday. On Thursday. So Coin can go to 85, and then after that, um, with earnings, you'll know what's the right direction here. Look at daily. Palo Alto daily is looking great. It's looking amazing. We just need to hold 250 as support. Would be better 250.50, but 250 like previous day high support, very bullish. Very bullish. Damn. That was a beautiful, beautiful break of this flag on QQQ. I think QQQ wants to go to 384, 380, 350. So this entire area here is resistance. So that's a big one. Like look the daily. So here is resistance, resistance here too. Yesterday. So these and from pretty much from 383 till 385, 60, it's resistance. But the big one is 384, 385. And its SPY is just holding 456, a 456 level that I talk about pre-market. It was what it is here. So the 455.50 and 456 level is that it was, I said, was the level to watch today, and look where we are holding here. Obviously we still have the rest of the day, but so far it's holding here. On is having troubles around 109. Like it's rejecting here, 109, 109, rejecting, rejection, all this rejection here. Kava, kava, kava. So kava right now it's fighting yesterday high. Like it made a new all-time high, but it's fighting there. So we want to see it holding these 57, like these 57.20 support, so it can keep going higher. Palo Alto is looking great also. Disney having trouble there with morning high, and I'm having trouble not falling asleep. Mm-mm. At least we're using previous resistance now should act as support. Let's hope so. So Meta can keep going higher, Palo Alto can keep going higher. I honestly don't care much what On is doing, but obviously I would love it if it can break 109. Just having a lot of trouble there. I'm gonna move Kava here because On is kind of like boring. I want to see, like, I want you guys to see Kava making new highs. On, don't worry, I'm still looking at here on my chart and I have alerts. But I think it's more fun to see something that is either going higher or lower, but seeing something that is not doing anything is like extremely boring. Come on, Disney, just break this little resistance here. I know you can do it. Um, I was just, where was it? I don't honestly don't know. I'm just um I do this thing like once a week that I just go through a bunch of like YouTube, Twitter, my charts, and I just start looking like all charts and I don't know, doing research. But I think I saw someone talking about Kava on Twitter. But they were like doing like fundamental analysis on Kava. And I was like, ooh, I like that chart because I don't do fundamentals. Ooh, Roku. Damn, Roku. Roku never gave me the 86 pullback that I wanted. But right now that's a very strong resistance here. Maybe at the end of the week we have the 86, 85 um retest on Roku. I have the 110. 112, it's a little bit out of the money for a weekly. I have the 110 on. So you gotta manage that differently, like with a tighter stop loss. Also, remember that AMD have earnings today after market close, so that's gonna move on also. But 112 is a little bit out of the money. And your contracts are probably down a lot because if you got it today, you probably kind of fine. But if you have like yesterday, if you got it yesterday, um, yeah, 110 under, I'm sorry, under 107, it will be my stop loss for the weeklies. I also have next week. But we need to move today, like do something. Anybody playing AMD earnings? I'm kind of like, ooh, kind of want to, but not really. But I'm for sure playing AMD tomorrow. If AMD has good earnings, I think the rest of the week can go to 130, 132, 132. But AMD needs to break this like 120 resistance. Like, look, the weekly, look how it's been rejecting this 120 resistance for like 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks. It's between, like, it has a lot of resistance between 117 and 120, 122. If has bad earnings, probably it's gonna gap down below this support here, the 108. And that's a clear, like, if has good earnings, gonna gap up above 122, 120, and I think it's gonna go to 132. Easy 130 and then 132. If has bad earnings, gonna gap down below this big support here, and it could die till maybe 100 or 99. How are the premium for AMD? I'm not gonna play it, but let's just see how are the premium. So if I want to buy the 132 calls, it's only $94, but the IV is 120, like almost 121%. That's high. Above 100, that's high, but that's also very normal for earnings. Above 100 is like very normal for earnings. Puts are a little bit down. Puts are cheaper, definitely. If I buy the 100 puts, it's only $23. And the IV is 101. So puts are cheaper. But mm, you can buy one put and what? One call. If goes lower, you're definitely gonna make more money than if it goes up. Because calls are up, the IV is up. What's going on with AI? Why AI is flying? Why AI is flying here? Why? Is there any news with AI? But it's right at 44. 44, near 44. 44, 41, like 44, 43 is a strong resistance. AI is like flying. But it's gonna go to 44, and 44 is a very strong resistance. Okay. And thank you, Deb. Oh yeah. Okay. That's that all-time high with Annette? Yeah. Okay. So this one can be a good play if retest previous all-time high. So if retest around 80, 180, so previous all-time high is around 170, let's see, 178, 43 around there. Um yeah. I'm gonna watch this one tomorrow. Yeah. Let's watch this that one tomorrow. But first, to enter that one, we need a pullback. So I will wait for a pullback or a red day to play this one. I don't know if he's gonna go to 200. Damn, RTX was just flying. What the heck? Like it's moving against the market. Like the market is going up, RTX is going down, the market is going down, RTX is going up. As long as it's holding 87, I'm fine. More than 5. And if can break 88, even better. Okay, now that the that RTX is flying, let's see how this is doing now. Okay, so it's only $58 down today, 55 now. So it's 25 down today on this Kava 55 calls, and it's $40 on RTX today. But the total is minus 99. So this move on RTX, it's telling me like definitely wants more. Like because it keeps using previous resistance as support. So that's very, very bullish. Even if it doesn't do much today, that for me, that holder, it's extremely bullish. And the contracts are very cheap. Very cheap. So I bought these ones around 90. Yeah, I bought one at 70 and the other ones at 95 and 97. And right now are around 69, which are very cheap. I kind of feel like buying one more because I like having fair numbers when I have contracts. Like it will be like one more so I can have 6. I'm weird with that, but I don't like having like impaired numbers here. But I don't know. Rock. Let's see what's I don't even know what's that. Honestly, there's not much like it's very difficult to say here. Like I don't know how I'm gonna say something here because it's gapping down because of earnings. So you gotta wait and see if it's gonna hold or because I can see holding this resistance here. Well, it's a little bit under right now, but you want to wait for to see if it's gonna do the same thing that RTX did. That it gapped down, but it's holding a support. So you gotta wait. Just wait and see. That V recovery was crazy. Like I was expecting at least to go here because that's a clear support, but here, what's I don't know, but I don't complain because our contracts are coming back to life. And Meta is it's this is a very clean uptrend. Like held the support, just went up, like kind of consolidate a little bit, went up, consolidates a little bit, up again. It's kind of looking like it's consolidating and it's using the 90 MA as support. Also, Kava, very, very, very clean move here. Was UPS? Mm. Ooh, UPS is at it's at my support here. Ooh, ooh, Okay, so for UPS, these are very look the daily. The daily here, that's a clear support there. So now we want to see UPS kind of making a base here. I don't think I'm gonna enter this one because I already have too many things open. But I think it's a very good entry if you see UPS kind of consolidating around here. Even if it goes to 183, 182, you want to see it consolidating there and then enter, and your stop loss it will be around under 182. But yeah, an entry here, it looks very safe. Where are the buyers? Where? Coming in? That's fine for me. I want everybody to buy 88. To buy this one. As long as Kava buy, keeps going higher, my account is eating big. Big. Also with Meta. But I need on to move. Like just break 109. Mm, 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 mm. I think Disney is gonna go down, honestly. Maybe not today, but this candle here, maybe tomorrow we have one like this. It depends how this candle is gonna close. If it closes like that, or uh like this QQQ candle here, like this one, um I think tomorrow Disney is gonna go down to at least 88. The meta, what a beauty. SWAT. Like, why are you playing banks? Banks barely move. Ugh. Yeah, doing nothing. So look, these too many days consolidating, it's getting like smaller and smaller and smaller. So I kind of like I like this one. It's looking like very, for me that's very bullish. You have like literally like very small stop loss. Let's see. If you enter here, oh no, not this. Right, this is a good entry. I would prefer your top here is your PT, your stop loss. I wouldn't, I would do it something like this. So my stop loss, it will be this week here, or better this one here. This day is low, and then your PT is this week high, and that's a very good risk to reward trade here. Pretty good. It's 6.42. Everything above 2 is very good. So this one is a very good risk to reward entry for a swing trade. But you're gonna need at least, I will get at least minimum 2 weeks to go here, because Maybe goes tomorrow there, or maybe closes very strong today. I don't know. But I will get like calls like this. What's, let me see. Um, SCHW. I will get 25 for the 25th, the 66 calls. They're down today almost 15%. The volume is like bad. But and it's only $158. So getting one, you wouldn't lose much if you get like one contract. So yeah, I like this one. I find it like pretty safe. I would like it more if it had at least one green day here. But you can enter today, you can wait until tomorrow, or wait until the end of the day if it's gonna close green. That will be a little bit safer if you can wait until today and see if today is gonna close green. No, I don't trade SPX. Only a spy. I don't do individual stocks for my long term, only like ETF. I think picking individual stocks for long term is like a waste of time. Okay, this is getting too boring and it's already 12. I'm hungry and I have an appointment in like 1 hour. So, yeah, I'm not gonna keep trading today. So, okay. Um, Disney, I have the 90 call for next week, so I'm fine with Disney unless it breaks 88. If loses 88, I'm out of Disney. If goes to 90, I'm taking a big chunk of profits there, and then I'm just gonna leave some runners to see where it's gonna go next. Uh, Palo Alto. Um, okay, so I'm gonna hold Palo Alto unless it loses today's low, which is a very big stop loss here. But if you guys don't want to lose money, get out if loses if use VWAP as resistance. But Palo Alto, I'm gonna hold because I kind of like this daily candle so far as it is right now. But if closes like this, that's bearish. So if the daily candle closes like this, is bearish. If closes like this, for me is bullish, and it's still on a daily uptrend. So that's my plan with Palo Alto. Kava, I'm not gonna sell at all Kava unless loses today's low. Yeah, today's low, or you can use 55, which is better number. So I put an alert there. If goes to 58, I'm gonna take I have a alert at 58. I'm gonna take profits, a little bit of profits here, and then I'm just gonna see how it's gonna move after that. Meta, I took a big chunk of profits there. I'm gonna take a little bit more here. Um, and yeah, the runners I have, I'm not gonna sell them unless it breaks the VWAP and use it as resistance. RTX is looking pretty good unless it breaks this morning low. On it's not doing anything right now. It's kind of looking bearish. So 107 is my top loss for the weeklies. If not, if loses 107, I'm gonna scalp put so I can get a little bit money from it, and then I'm gonna add a bunch here at the gap close for next week. So that's my play, my plan on. So that's it. Think that's more than enough for today. These days, very boring. And watch if Meta goes to 328, I'm just gonna sell my entire position because 328 is a strong resistance, so I can see like a dip here, and then we have AMD earnings aftermarket, and that could may move the entire tech market. So yeah, that's my plan on everything. So far, we're looking good. So that's it. Thank you guys for being here. See you tomorrow.